Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Saving the Soul of Greece. So I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of at a stopping point right now, so I'm just gonna switch it up all together. The side gunnels have really sagged inwards like this. Instead of shedding water out, they would shed water inboard, and that's obviously not how it's intended to be. Yes, all the weight over the years and the lack of support is why it's like that. So, and yeah, I'll show you all, try my best to show you all the actual sagging, but yeah, that's where we're headed today. Okay, so right here you can see at the stern where this corner is a little more sturdy. It's nice and it's shedding water outboard, but as you go forward, this inside edge is kind of dropping in. So that obviously is going to need to be straightened up and resolved. So that's what I'm going to be working towards today. Okay, so this cabin top has been jacked up with some blocks and jacks for a few days because I really wanted to start working in here and reinforcing this to get rid of the sag. And it just occurred to me that now is the perfect time to get these beams, which you really cannot see too well, to get these cut out, since this is supported by the bulkheads here. One jack up to the front, one here in front of me, and this one here behind me. So I think now is the perfect time to get these cut out, reinforced, and put back in. So I guess that's what we're doing. Let's get to it.
You recorded any of you taking this out?
I recorded a little bit in the beginning, but it was getting too dusty.
What about you wrapping this with fiberglass?
No.
Okay, so say what you did.
Okay, so this is the beam that's supposed to be supporting part of the cabin top or part of the dash. I took this out because I was working in the cabin today and this was never really put in too good, so it's out. I put some glass on it to strengthen it and getting ready to put it back in now. Hopefully better than original. Okay, good.
Okay, hurry up.
Okay, and here is an absolute mess right now. with dust and garbage and everything, but that was all for this. So that's the new beam in. Well, not the new beam, but the redone beam in. Over there. It's dark now. So it's jacked up. Could have used a little more thickened resin, but looks good. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna get the fillets and the tabbing on, and then we could take the jacks down. So it's going good. It's looking good. Okay, so I got this trim piece in here. I just want to get it trimmed to fit. No reason in particular. Why not? That's pretty much the reason. Why not? So let's see what kind of cutting we got to do to get this to fit around. Trying some modifications. Let's see. Okay, so there it is. It's trimming. It fits pretty good. I will quickly hold it up into position. So that's pretty much it. I know I kind of blocking it, but yeah, that's pretty much how it goes.